Howdy kids! So today's episode is going to be kind of a short one, but I told you guys a while back that Ashley's car was getting wrapped and the time has come. So I've already buffed the whole car to hopefully remove most of the ceramic coat that I did to it, which it looks like it's off because it's not really beating up on the paint at all. The areas I didn't do, like the roof and stuff, I didn't buff them. The windows still is beading. It's beading off. I'm going to clay bar the white areas because that's what's getting the wrap on it. And then I'll take you guys with me when we hit the road to go there Sunday, which is in 2 days. I don't think I'm going to get much footage of him actually wrapping it, but it's just kind of like an advertisement for his business, Lohki Wraps. And I've seen some of his work and it's really good, and he's local for us, so it just works out pretty good. The LC500 is going to be a totally different color, kind of a color shift color and everything. Not my pick because it's not my car, it's my wife's car because she's the breadwinner. That's why she drives an LC and I don't. This is a color that she picked, that she wanted for her car, and I was just like, you know, it's going to protect the paint. If you want to do it, that's your thing. As for the LC, most people buy these and drive them kind of like a, you know, like a summer car. They don't drive it as much or whatever. This thing is an awesome daily driver, honestly. It gets decent gas mileage. I mean, so does my RC. If I baby this thing in eco mode, I get 30 miles a gallon out of this. Now, I'm not even lying to you. Right now, I'm not getting any because I'm not driving it because it has a cracked rim. I'm going to order that today. I'm going to take that off here in a minute. This is more comfortable, a better ride quality, and just overall a nice car to drive. So I know most people get these as like a collector's car or just a sporty car to drive here and there, but honestly, as a daily driver, it's a good car. She drives this most of the time, so it's getting the miles put on it. All right, I'm going to get a clay bar out now, and I just drew up some clean soapy water, and I use that with my clay bar. And we're going to do all the white areas. And what you do with the clay bar is I have a synthetic clay bar. Let me go get it. So when I say synthetic clay bar, most of you probably thinking some sort of clay, different clay. This is a synthetic clay bar. It's like some sort of rubber foam or something. It works identical to a clay bar, and it's so much easier to use. You don't have to knead it and stuff. You just use some soapy water, scrub this over the surface, and they put a nice little handle on it and everything. I just got these on Amazon. I got a 2-pack. I think it was 15 bucks or something like that. I could be wrong, but I like the synthetic ones better. And you can see them. Honestly, it'll pick up dirt, and you'll see it in there. This is what we're going to use. Soapy water, scrub the surface. It's going to sound rough at first, or like almost gritty, and then you'll notice it smooth out after a couple rubs. Now, I've already went over this. I did this on one of my cars. Was it that RCF? Did I ceramic the RCF? I don't even remember. My memory's getting bad, kids. Old age. All right, now, looking at that, you really can't tell a difference, but I want to show you this synthetic pad because it does not look the same anymore. You get up close, and you're going to see dirt embedded in it. I don't know how good that's coming up, but there's dirt in that. Now, this is probably still good for another time, but I just wanted to show you that this picked up stuff off the paint, like even after I washed it. So yeah, this wasn't that bad. Your worst areas are your front because stuff gets embedded in the paint from driving. So like the hood, the fenders, and the front bumper. And I'll tell you what this is really good for is if you paint in an area where your cars are or close to your car and overspray gets on them, this takes the overspray off. So yeah, clay bars are pretty good. I wasn't really into them for a longest time. I was just like, thought they were a gimmick, but they do work, and your paint feels a lot softer after you've done it. So yeah, I did do the RCF. I did the RCF, then ceramic coated it because the water's all beaded up on the side of it, which I got to pull that wheel off now. I just wanted to do it on this because it should be a lot easier for him to put the wrap on now. And being that he's giving me a discount, I just kind of wanted to like help him out a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. So next clip, we're going to be on our way to go there to drop the car off. Oh, I just talked to the dude, and we are actually going to get some action footage. I'm going to go up next Friday. He'll still be working on it, and we'll get some footage of him actually doing some of the wrapping stuff. I'd like to see him do it, honestly, because I've tried wrapping stuff, and I'm not that great. It's hard. It's really hard. I don't know. I'd like to see how he does it. So it's going to be interesting. What? Look like you had something to say.
No.
Yeah.
I mean,
you ought to try to clean it like that once in a while.
That's why I have you.
Oh, okay. I see. Are you excited to see your car?
I am excited. I don't know what to think. I'm just like, oh.
She's more excited to see her cats when she got home.
I'm excited for my car, but it's like I don't know what it's gonna look like, and
I know what it looks like.
I just don't know.
Yeah,
just
well, I
hope
know. I know. Must be inside.
Probably on the right side. That's where I pulled it in at, so don't block me.
Well, it might be, but it might not be.
Yeah, I'm excited to see it.
Well, she's right there.
I don't know what to think or what to think. Oh, wow.
I ain't got enough. Put your
thank her. Oh wow, that is cool. I really like that. That's awesome.
Different car, for sure.
Wow, yeah, that is cool.
This is the guys at Lohki Wraps. They're the ones that did it.
Yes, sir.
Want to get a wrap on your car, you can hit these guys up. They have a Facebook page, you have Instagram.
Yep.
And
We got Snapchat too.
okay,
Yeah.
this is Snapchat. So
Yeah, if you just look up LOHKI on most socials, it'll come up.
I'll put a link down in the description below.
Yep.
So there you go. His and hers. She's thrilled with it. The thing does look good. It looks, I mean, I'm not gonna drive it. I'm not driving it, but I mean, what's your mom think? I was gonna end the video here. But
You better not.
Cruella here, she's all ready for bed. And
They don't need to see me in my robe.
are you sure? I mean, come on. I just
No.
What do you
I
mean?
just want to eat my shrimp in peace.
I got some shrimp for you.
They don't need me hearing that.
If you liked the video, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next episode. Alright. Stu, man. These cats don't know. They don't know what good pets are, huh? They don't know.
Everybody's doing these bucket drinks now. Bucket.
Stella, do you have anything to add here? I know you're in your
Pet me daddy.
bedtime attire right now, and you don't mind being on camera, do you? Huh? You're not camera shy. Okay. You want mommy's food, don't you? Tell the people you see them next week going on right. Tell them.